Good evening and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. The markets took a breather today after last week's sharp rally. However, benchmark indices Nifty and Sensex were pretty volatile through most of the day, even dipping into the negative zone. Nevertheless, that didn't stop the Sensex from reaching an intraday high of just above the 22,000 mark. Finally, the Sensex finished at 21,934 and the Nifty closed at around 6,537, both pretty much flat. Global markets as well were quite subdued and flat despite the decent data that came out from the US over the weekend. If you look at the broader markets today, there were sharper gains and declining stocks which did not get reflected in the Sensex movement. So on the sectoral side, the BSE Capital Goods Index was up around 2.7%, the Realty Index was up around 2.5%, and IT stocks continued to see some profit booking, and that index fell around 2.4%. Coming to individual stocks, L&T was in the news as it reported that the order inflow through February and so far in March has been pretty good, and it said around 3,000 crores of orders came in through various subsidiaries. That stock was up around 3.3%. M&M was also in the news as the demerger of its trucks unit has been approved by the Bombay High Court, and that stock gained around 3.5% today. Also, pharmaceutical stocks were in the news. Sun Pharma for reportedly recalling some generic diabetes drug that it markets in the US. The stock fell around 2.6% today. Ranbaxy also for similar news of recalling some cholesterol-related drug in the US, and that stock was down around 1.5%. Sun Pharma, however, has denied the reports so far. Auto stocks were in the news today as the industry body has released the latest auto sales figures, and it shows that there's some hope that at least the downtrend in auto sales may be halted. That's because the passenger vehicle sales were up around 1.5%. Nevertheless, the commercial vehicle sales are still falling, and that was quite a sharp fall even this time around. The stocks reacted in a mixed manner. Maruti Suzuki was up around 3.7%. Ashok Leyland gained around 5.2%. Tata Motors, however, was down around 3.2%, and two-wheeler maker Bajaj Auto was up around 2.5%. Coming to the Sensex names, we've already spoken about the gainers, which were L&T, Mahindra & Mahindra and Maruti Suzuki. On the declining side, other than Tata Motors, it was TCS, which fell around 3.7%. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.